Kia Sportage on Kia Spectra 2004 rear bumper paint job. Alright, it's the third coat. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Using this Duplicolor Universal Silver Match on color code 6C on the Spectra. It's the paint code. So this is the third coat. Let's see how this works out. Putting it on a little heavy. Wipe out. Alright. That's me sitting on a seat that has a rounded bottom. So I wiped it out. Alright, let's see here. Old man getting up here. Might as well. So I had these little scratches here. Let's see if you can see it. I put rubbing compound on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna throw a coat over it. So I had these little fine scratches. I'm gonna throw a coat over this, see how it works. Might as well, right? Cool. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. What the heck? I can always buy more product if I need to. I like that. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, it's a lot better. I just did the whole paint job. Yep, running out of ammo. Yeah, once this dries in about 30 minutes, I'll follow up with like just a light wet sand, I think, with like 2500 grit, and see how that you can see a little striping there. See how that will turn out. I'll probably let it sit for a couple hours. Yeah. I'm liking it a little bit better. For sure, for sure. Yeah, it's worth it. Alright, I'll come down here. Avalanche! Whew. Sorry guys, I know I'm driving you crazy with this camera. Let me see what I got myself into here. Alright, so I'm done painting. That's as much as I'm putting on here right now. I'm gonna let it dry for a good, maybe a good hour. Dries at the touch probably in less than like 5 minutes, literally. But I got a lot of work to do still. I got to do on this vehicle, so I'm just gonna let this sit up for a little bit. Then I'll do a little bit of wet sanding, like I think I just said, 2500 grit, and see how it works in. We'll go from there. Sorry for the crazy videoing and movement. Yeah, that's a minor flesh wound. You guys might get the old quote from a movie, but don't got the labor time to put into that right now. Maybe later that'll be another job to show you how I do that. Okay, so that's it for now. I'm glad I just decided to spray the whole bumper. Alright, well, this is Ablecraft here. If I can do it, you guys can definitely do it better. Just stick with it. And as I heard a little bit earlier in the day, keep your chin up. So hang in there with your chin. Don't beat yourself up. Live and learn. Alright, have a good day.